Hello guys, today we are going to discuss about a topic called relational operators because we already discussed the concept called arithmetic operators, assignment operators. So today we'll try to cover relational operators. So what do you mean by relational operators here? Relational operators can also be called as comparison operators. As you see the handwriting, it will be a bit difficult here to write. Okay, why we are going to call comparison operator means here we are going to compare. These relational operators we majorly used to compare. Okay, so the relational operators having the symbols like less than or equals to, greater than or equals to, and not equals to. Okay, and one more main thing you have to remember that these relational operators, or you can say it as a comparison operators, which will return you the data as boolean type. Okay, it will return boolean type data. Okay, arithmetic will operators will return numbers because addition, subtraction and all will return at last number, and this is also going to return number. But when it comes to relational operators, it is going to return either true or false. Okay, or any one it is going to return. Why? Because here less than, you know that generally, correct? If you take, there is a value is 10 and there is a value is 5. What is 10 less than 5? So it is true. Is it true? No. 10 is less than 5 means it is false. Okay, 10 is bigger than 5, right? 10 is not less than 5. Now 10 less than or equals to 10. Is this correct? 10 is less than or equals to, yeah, 10 less than or equals to means either less or equal. It is equal, so it will be true. Correct. So 10 is greater than 10. Is it true? No. 10 and 10 are equal. 10 greater than 10, it is, of course, it's false. Okay, so like this we are going to perform. And here you have to know the major difference of equal to and equal to operator. Okay, equal to operator we have discussed already. If you see here, I am having a equals to 10. So what do you mean by this? 10 is assigned to a. Okay, equal to is used for assigning the value. Okay, so when it comes to here, when it comes to equal to operator, so it is used for comparison. Does 10 is equals to 5? No. If we are having 10 something 10 means, does 10 is equals to 10? Yes, of course it is correct. Okay, so remember it is very important. Equal to is for comparison here. Okay, hope you guys got a clarity on equals to and equals to sign operators. Okay, so let us see here one real life example, that is a practical example here. Let me open edit plus here. It will ask you to use the trial version. Let us use the trial version itself, no problem. Create a Java file here. Now let me take a value called x equals to some 10, int y is equals to some 20. 20 let me take. Okay, now here we are going to use the operations. So here if we have performed here equal to, so it means 10 is assigned to x, 20 is assigned to y. So whenever you want you can use this x and y. Okay, let me print system.out.println of x equals to y. So what is the output here? Is it true? No, it's false. Right. So let me take system.out.println of x not equals to y. Does x is not equals to y? 10 is not equals to 20? Obviously, right? So try to convert this expression as a sentence. X is not equals to y. 10 is not equals to 20. Of course, yes, it's true, right? Okay. Let me take one more one. System.out.println of let us give some things, because equal to not equals to one operator we have understood, and less than greater than we will understood. Okay, system.out.println of, let me take x is greater than y. Is 10 is greater than 20? 10 is bigger than 20? No, of course. So no means false. System.out.println, let me introduce one more variable also, so that we will be having some more clarification. So now let me use x greater than or equals to y. Instead of y, let me take test. So what is the x value? 10. 10 is greater than or equal to 10. Is it 10 is greater than 10? No. Or equal to, is there, right? So it means true. 10 is equals to 10, right? So true. system dot println of. Now let me take it as one line we will add. So for look better dot println of x is less than y. Does x is less than y? 10 is less than 20. Yeah, of course 10 is less than 20. So it is true. Okay, so then system dot out dot, oh sorry, my mistake, out println x less than or equals to y. What will be the output here? Does x is less than or equals to y? 10 is less than or equals to y? 10 is less than 20? Yes. Equals to no. But one, either this or this. Less than or equals to. So it is true. Correct. So let us check the output. Semicolons will not come in the output because it will just tell true or false. Okay. Let us save this as relational operator dot java. So here Java by default it is taken. Let me right click, open the command prompt. So let us check this out. Okay, Java C relational operator dot Java. Okay, compilation done. Now relation operator. So run it. So let us check, compare this. So x equals to y, false, true, then greater than we are comparing, false, true, and then less than or equal to true, true. I hope you guys got a clarity on this. So now I have covered relational operator. In the next video I will cover logical operator. Okay, and after that unary operator, and at last we will cover bitwise operator. Okay, so my mistake is there here. Okay, so you need to correct it, operators. Okay, typing mistake. Okay, I hope you guys got a clarity. Let us meet in the next video. Okay, bye bye.